also. Next is one of my favorite strategies, one of the things that has led to this masterclass, obviously, because the results were so drastic that we thought, why not share this with more and more people. It is abandoned cart recovery. So a lot of e-commerce companies already do this via email and SMS, but we already know that email and SMS has very very low open rate and very very low conversion rates. So open rates of email and SMS are hardly 15 to 20% if it goes on a higher number, and the conversion rate, or the click through rates, are hardly 1 to 2%. Well, WhatsApp has an open rate of 95%. That simply means that everyone is almost opening your messages. If you're sending message to 200 people, around 195 190 people are opening it, and some people who don't have read receipts on, so we cannot see that if they've read or not, but I still believe that they have already read it. So I completely believe it that almost everyone is reading messages there. How is this message framed? And yes, first of all, this is an official template message that has been approved. And what does happen in this flow, let us understand. So suppose a user leaves an order in their cart. So in Shopify, what happens is, whenever someone is coming to your store, they can choose, they can add things to your cart, and then they can submit their details like name, mobile number, address, and after that they go to the shipping page or the payment page and they just leave off. And if you are getting around 100 orders a day, at least 50 to 100 you will be getting abandoned carts also. So that is a good amount, right? So if 100 people are buying daily, around 50 to 100 people are again leaving their cards aside and not buying from you. And that is a very highly convertible sale. They were the people who have done a lot of work. They have added things to your card, they have taken they have entered their address and their mobile number also. So that is how what they have done. So I think the most stores that we work with, they have made it a mandate to leave their mobile number when they are putting in the address, because with address they put a mobile number. If they enter a wrong mobile number, we cannot do anything, obviously. So now what happens is, if they leave this cart after 20 minutes, we automate this notification. This is the particular notification: thanks for adding great items to your cart. You can complete your purchase by tapping the button below. And there is a link. Okay, so this is a clickable button that WhatsApp provides you, and as someone is clicking on this clickable button, they directly go to the same payment page. They don't have to enter their details again, and they can just complete the payment and order the item. So on a daily basis, our stores who are working with us have been getting 45 to 60% abandoned cart recoveries. That simply means that 95% people open this, okay, and then 45 to 60% people are clicking on this. A lot of times I've also seen the stats that some people do it suppose someone came to your store during the daytime, but they see this message during the night time and just go and buy it out. Okay, so it's more like a reminder that is always there, right? No one is checking their email and SMS daily, but WhatsApp is being checked by everyone every hour, and multiple times in each hour, obviously. So that is how this whole strategy shapes up, and this strategy has been very effective. I tell you, if you're running a store, if you are having anything around e-commerce, you should actually apply this strategy, because this will shape up the whole game. This will change the whole scenario of your e-commerce. You'll see this particular store had around 100 orders per day, okay, and they started getting 130 to 140 orders the next day. You see that boom, and it's on a very less ROI, like on a very less investment. On a daily basis, you are just sending 100 messages. 100 messages are hardly 60 rupees. In 60 rupees, if you are getting 30 orders, that is an amazing start, right?